Last night was the supermoon, and as a result, the waves here in the Caribbean are absolutely massive. I haven't seen waves as big and as rough as this since I was in California, Santa Monica, so it's crazy. It's not the best day for swimming. All the flags are red, but there's still people in the sea, of course. Check this out. Shit. That is crazy. Of course, this ocean here is the Atlantic, which means it's technically the same water you'd find in Cornwall back in the UK. It's no wonder it's as rough as this, especially after a supermoon.